pengene borte der.
Ja. 50% så er det greit.
Low flyby of Copenhagen.
But it would be a kind of nice touch to fly by. Much traffic to go around. We'll just imagine a bird strike and then go around.
Welcome to Copenhagen, and for those of you who haven't set your watches yet, it's about 6 minutes to 6 local time, which actually I think means that we landed ahead of time.
Oh!
For your own safety, we do ask you to remain seated with seatbelts fastened. Do not place any hand luggage in the aisles or by the emergency exits. When the seatbelt sign is switched off, you're free to move, and also switch your mobile phones on. Remember to be careful when opening the overhead bins so that no items fall out. And smoking is allowed only in designated smoking areas. SAS Airlines, we do hope that you have enjoyed this flight, and we look forward to seeing you on board very soon again. And finally, I would like to extend my personal thanks to Una, Mikael, Karin, Matthias, Hannah and Natalie for a fantastic flight and a lot of personal dedication from their side to get this running. And also for bearing with me to have me as a service crew and for once being allowed to boss me around rather than the other way around. Thank you and have a good night, folks.
And I would like to give Pese a hand for helping us today. It's been amazing having you. So give him a hand, everyone. On the wall, you're so welcome to take them with you to your next party or the flowers as well. Thank you. Thank you to all our passengers. It has been a great pleasure having you on board. Thank you.